Good morning, everyone. To our students and teachers, praise be Jesus Christ and Mary. You are so much welcome in our school and with the Lakbay Tulong program of our Vice Mayor.
Welcome po sa ating Lakbay Tulong program sa bawat sulok ng bayan, Vice Vision Makabayan.
Your dedication in providing vital health care services in our community is deeply appreciated. We wish you a successful and impactful mission. Thank you so much and God bless us all.
In behalf po kay Vice Mayor, ito pong Lakbay Tulong is hindi lang po kay Vice. Ito po ay sa lahat po ng mga konseho kasabay po. So po sangguniang panglungsod.
Thank you for sharing your time, talent, and treasure, especially to all of you who are very busy at this moment that you make this program possible. Please extend to our thanks to the Vice Mayor's office. Again, welcome to you all.